Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to edit templates in Notion. First of all, we created a new page, but that's not necessary for now. We go to shared and click here on templates, because right now we will search for the template that we want to change. So right now, let's see, I want to use this, a guide to personal branding. I like that one. So we click on this template and then we do add. Template is being added. We will let you know when it's ready to use in your workspace. So right now it's loading right here, but when it's done, we click immediately on it and then we can start working with this template. So right now the loading is almost there. So right now we go to it and then right now we can use this template how we want. So first of all, let's see, he already created a nice cover, but let's say we want to change the text from here, then we select it and then change it to subscribe to YouTube. Then we go down. Now let's say we want this more here, then we can change that. But from here, seriously, you can change everything from this template. So it's not that difficult. This is exactly how you can edit templates in Notion. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.